Anyway, okay, so all of you need to do update. You have given the URL. You have given the URL for update. Okay, so you need to add the URL. This is the URL, but you need to give the IP. Similar like URL, and you need to give the IP. Here in place of localhost, you need to give the IP. Okay, so data, you are getting data in Angular application?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, great. Can you share screen?
In Angular application, not, sir. In Postman tool.
Okay, okay. Please share your screen. Okay, so here you have done update.
So it is employee.service layer, employee service.
Very good.
Again, we have to add in the update employee component.
No,
Here, sir.
it's completely okay. Now go to your. I want to see the page. Okay, actually, can you run the application? Scroll down. What is there?
Okay.
Property on submit. Property on submit does not exist. Oh, you have not added this on submit method. Now set the on submit method. Okay. Let me share my screen. Let me share. Stop share. Okay, we have done service layer code. We have done, all of you have done service layer, I think. You have done it?
Yes, sir.
Service
layer
layer. So next will be the what is the next is the component layer.
Here we will performing two-way data binding.
Just update employee component. So now you ready this code. On submit method, you write on submit method employee service dot update, because this is the service layer method. You have need to call and two value. Here be careful. Two parameter is going. Actually, this dot ID, this dot employee, because this dot ID and this dot employee already exists. This dot ID and this dot employee already exist with you. So you are sending this two parameter, this dot ID and dot subscribe, then data, and if it is successful, then it will be gone to this dot go to employee list. So it will be after update, it will be ready to go to employee list. Okay, so already you need to create another method, go to employee list, this dot router, and it is a navigation. It will be after update, it will be gone to basic employee space. Yes, tell me.
So typing code.
Till I make you easy, I am sharing the code also. Anybody can share screen so that, okay. Or should I keep open few minutes? You write it. That will be better, I think.
Yes, sir.
All of you write this code. Okay. This, okay, line number 32 to, okay, 43. Okay, two method you need to write. Okay, do it, please. Okay, let me take some water in between. Have you done?
Yes, sir. Done, sir. Data, sir, updating the data.
Share your screen. Please share your screen. No, very good.
User ID, user side, Muslim. Done.
Update, change some value. Working, no? It's
Yes, sir.
updating working. Very good. So Mega, it is working for you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so very good. So next, last functionality is pending, that is it, delete. Last functionality is pending is delete. It will take another just 5 minutes. Stop share screen. Let me. Okay. For delete, let me share my screen. For delete, we go to employee list page. Okay. Last button, this button you need to add. Button, okay.
No.
This is the button need to add. So let me share in chat box. First, all of you add this in employee list page, this button, and delete employee, it will be delete employee. And delete employee. Okay. For delete employee, I need to create the, okay, you can delete, this is the cover component section and delete employee method. And because delete employee, I need to send that ID number, delete ID number of the employee. And employee service method we will create a method delete employee, and we are passing ID value and then subscribe. And then if it is a delete, then it will be this dot get employees, because get employees, it is getting the data already you have done. Already this dot get employees method you have done in your section, and it will be again, it will be returned back to the list page. So next, this is the code for component layer. And then you need to go to the service layer. In service layer, employee.service and delete employee. Very simple. I need to pass the ID value. Delete. Here post method is delete. Post method is, it is a delete method. It's a HTTP client dot delete method, and then URL and ID. Okay, this is the normal URL and ID. Okay, so 3 section, and also in app routing module for delete, app routing module. And app routing here, it is not required because the moment you delete, it will go to the list page, it will go to the employee space. Okay, so this is done. And another one thing, employee. Okay, so here actually again navigate, it will be go to the view hyphen employee, view employee. Okay, I think I have given this code. Okay, this section will be very good. Okay, till again I am giving. Okay, let me stop share screen. Okay, anybody share please your screen, please. Please share your screen.
Sir.
First create the service method. First create the service method. Check the I have sent the code. Okay. Write a method for service.
Sir, employee the service I have added delete employee.
Very good, very good. ID, number, and view. Very good, excellent.
Then sir,
Yes, then you need to go to the service layer. Then sorry, component layer. Component layer. Employee list component. It will be employee list component. It is a there is no new component for delete. Employee list and in component. Go to employee list. And
sir,
here
employee list component.
and employee list component you have added employee service, delete employee ID, and this dot get employees. Very good. Okay, now go to screen. Now go to main screen. And HTML page you have given the button.
No sir, that I missed.
Okay. So you can copy from chat box and already you need to give the button. Okay, should I give again?
Sir, I'm feeling sleep. So where I have to add the button?
Because in employee list page, it is a not this employee list dot ts HTML. Here in you need to add another button section. Already I have given the code. Okay.
Yes sir, I'm copying that. Where is chat? Delete employee. Sir, HTML layer completed, sir. Service layer we completed. Component layer. So save, sir.
Save all.
Working, sir.
Now click on delete. It's happening. Okay, you can add again value and then delete.
Sir, create ones.
Uh,
That module I have not included, sir.
you have not completed. Okay. No issue.
That I will.
So you can stop share. Mega can share and Mega can add value. You will be able to find out. Okay, Mega, you can share your screen.
So one thing I'm getting error.
Okay, share your screen. Why you are getting error?
Sir, when I am updating value, if I write here again, when I click submit, nothing is happening.
Okay, so go to the view employee list. Yes. We need to redirect. Redirect not. Okay, employee
Yes,
list. Go to employee list.
Employee list.
Employee list.
Yes, sir.
No, here not here. Go to screen. Go to browser screen.
Yes, sir.
Go to browser screen. It is happening or not?
Yes, sir. If I click employee list, then it will come.
Because we have not done redirection. After update, you need to redirect. So how to redirect? And go to your
Sir,
update
after
component.
you're updating, submit button will not work. We will not be redirected.
No. You have not written the code. Go to your component, update employee component.
Update employee component.
Update employee component. Update employee component.
Update employee component.
Here in update on, can you go to the routing section? Routing. App routing module. What is your employee list? Your path name is employee hyphen list. Copy it. Employee hyphen list.
So yeah.
Yes. Just copy employee hyphen list. This is your path. This path need to forward na after update. And now go to update employee component. And replace these employees as an update employee slash your, because your path is different. Understand what I have done? Okay, so this path it will be redirect. Now you can update.
Yes, sir. It is redirected.
Very good. Okay, you can add some value.
Yes, sir. So here also.
Here also need to redirect. Yes,
Yes.
go to same component also. After add component, add employee or create employee component. Create employee component. Okay, scroll down. Okay, here you need to change the path 31, line number 31, line number 31. Yes, in the same path. Today I have teaches so many things, but when Mega Coron will learn new things, will you teach me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, that's the, that support is required. Yes, it is not a, it is a not any it is a true, because whenever you go to industry,
Yes,
today I
sir.
also hear the one person he's working the guide or on technology. It is a completely new, and because
Yes, sir. Delete button is also working.
okay. So now all of you are happy. Sometimes I am not able to take any sessions. It got delayed, and but sir, today you are happy. The entire project is working smooth.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, I just want to ask one thing.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, you yesterday a new trainer came, sir. You told na Angular will be
Actually, he
under
is
him.
not a trainer. Actually, he was the he spent in 2 years in PCS Global, and he finally played the role as a project manager. And under his guidance, actually, some live client project we have done. And now, actually, today your basic learning of the Angular is complete. Okay. So today, whatever the theory you have learned, and then entire things you have implemented in a projects. Now, what is the next task? Next task, actually, tomorrow onwards, I want to give the one responsibility, Coron and Mega, actually, and if anybody has exam, okay, focus on exam, but otherwise, if Mega is possible, whoever, many of the resources, they're not able to adjust this time, evening time, late night time, even also this Sunday evening, you have seen that actually 16 around this was joined, but today they are not able to join. And actually, just let me stop here.